Guys, meron ako new product from ITEL and this is called the ITEL na ring. And well, yun ang mga uso ngayon na mga rings, probably replacing mga smartwatches. And dahil madali siyang suotin. And what I have here is the color black variant. Meron siya tatlong colors, gold, si black, saka si silver. And I picked the color black. And balita ko there's also 3 sizes ng ring, 7, 9, saka 11. So, pinakamalapit sa akin is 8.5 kasi ako. So, I picked 9. So, unbox na natin. So, yeah, it's a bit surprised na naglabas sila as early as this 2025. Ano pa lang, no? February, meron silang bagong product launch. So, I'm more than honestly excited to try this one. And ganito itsura niya. Pag if you open, and we have here is yung kanyang user guide, which important yan, hindi nyo basahin para makuha yung QR code and nothing more. Wala man lang siya charging cable, no? So, this is how it looks like. Parang dalagang ring, may ring box pa siya. Yan. This is the ring. Ganito itsura niya. And meron siyang ITEL na logo inside. Hope you can see it. Yan. So, I'll be wearing it just like this. Uy, sakto no? Hindi siya maluwag and hindi rin siya masikip. So, saktuhan lang, no? So, the next thing you need to do is to download the ITEL Ring app sa inyong Google Play Store. Now, one thing to consider and a reminder sa inyong lahat, it took me 5 days to figure, no? Na ayaw mag-pair. So, one of the problem pala dito is that meron siyang tape dito. Okay? Para yung terminal niya nakadikit at hindi magsa-charge ng ring. So, kailangan matanggalin to. It took me 5 days to figure this out just to be able to charge this one. So, gawin natin. Kabit natin. Makita mo may red. Yan. It means activated na ang iyong ITEL ring. So, this time around, I would be able to pair. So, this time around, mag-search ko na siya. Nakita na. Lumabas agad. No? Took me 5 days to figure. So, ngayon, connect na natin. So, dapat no sweat na to. Dire-diretso na siya. Yan. Okay? So, nakakonect na siya. 10% charge. So suotin muna natin para makita na ano itsura niya. Okay? So, yeah. So, I'll be wearing this for the next few days. And babalikan ko kayo, pakita ko sa inyo kamusta kanyang magiging performance. Nausot ko tong ring na to for almost 4 days. And gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo mga stats na na-track na dito sa ITEL ring natin. And of course, opening the ITEL app ulit, ITEL ring app. So, going to the homepage, drag down mo lang siya para mag-refresh, para makita mo, no? And so, makita mo na we just slept around 3 to 4 hours, no? And almost accurate naman siya. Based sa aking smartwatch na suot, it's 4 hours and 10 minutes. So, hindi nagkakalayo. And you also have your heart rate dito. Yan. So, kita mo yung tracking ng heart rate mo, no? And yeah, kakatapos ko lang mag jumping jack. So, makita nyo tumaas siya na at 92. And you can see your blood oxygen level at 99%, which is almost consistent naman tayo. And you can see yung ibang stats mo dito, no? Ito yung sleep monitoring natin. Kita mo lahat ng stats dito, no? Kung deep sleep mo, ilang oras, light sleep mo, ilang oras, REM mo, ilang oras. So, makita mo lahat dito. Very clear dito. Mount out doon. So, kasi there are some people na hindi mahilig sa smartwatch, okay na sa inyo itong smart ring. Now, you can also check yung exercise wheel na dito, which is yung activity wheel natin. Kita mo, there's yung step counter mo, moving distance mo, yung activity consumption mo, kung ilan na burn mong calories. Yan, lahat kikita mo dito. And of course, yung homepage. No? So, talagang makikita mo na okay siya. Kasi 4 days sa gamit, from full charge, 74% pa natitira sa akin. Which is okay, makunat ang kanyang battery. So, I think kaya ito magtagal ng 2 weeks na usage without any problem. So, ako, if you're the type of person na hindi mahilig sa mga smartwatches, you can consider this one para it can help you track all of your activities, your heart rate, your blood oxygen level, your step counter dito sa ring na ito. Siguro next iteration, I would see na maganda kung meron siya digital watch dito na maliit. It would be nice, no? So, So if you're looking for a health tracking device without wearing it dito sa inyong wrist, consider tong ITEL ring. Just click the yellow basket.